Hello, James with the 1HourSmartHome.com here, and today we are going to talk about the Amazon Fire TV Cube. Unbox this thing, show you what's inside, and tell you a little bit more about it. So I've had a Fire Stick on my TV for a long time. Okay, it's worked really good. You can easily get all the Amazon Prime movies on there, Netflix, and a variety of different streaming services. So this is the Fire TV Cube, which is the latest generation of the Amazon Echo TV control. And basically what it is a Amazon Alexa in a cube that then connects to your TV and can control your TV just like a Fire TV. Now the difference is that this is 4K compatible. So if you have a 4K TV, this is going to be able to stream in 4K on your TV. So let's open this thing up. Nice little box here. It's got the outside shows you exactly what you can connect to. PBS, ABC, Amazon Music, ESPN, HBO, Sling, all kinds of different services there. So very useful, as well as obviously Amazon Prime Video. Okay. So what I like about this compared to the Amazon Echo or the Amazon Fire TV stick is that this actually has an infrared blaster on it as well as an HDMI output. So you can see that right there. You may not be able to see it. We'll get you a close-up zoom in on that. But what that means is that you can now say, Alexa, turn on the TV. And Alexa is going to be able to turn on your TV, change channels, anything that you can do with a remote control, you can now do with voice with the Fire TV Cube. So it says a couple instructions on here for the Fire TV Cube proper placement. It says unobstructed, place it unobstructed and facing you where you sit. Must be 1 foot away from speakers and not in a closed cabinet. So this ideally needs to be sitting on top of your entertainment center, somewhere that you can put it. So it's a pretty inconspicuous device. If you see up here, it's got the traditional Amazon Echo controls that you might see on an Amazon Echo Dot, plus minus volume, as well as mute, and then a setup button. So what else is in here? So this is the box it came in. This is the actual cube itself. And what else do we have? Okay, so it does require power. It's got a power adapter in here. It's got the optional IR extender cable. So you can see it's got each one of these labeled inside of here. That extender cable just looks like this, and it's got a little IR blaster. This square thing is infrared, so it works just like your remote on your TV. And last but not least, what do we have here? This is, oh, okay, so I didn't even know this, but this is an optional Ethernet adapter. So you can connect this directly to Ethernet and into the Fire Cube. This is a feature I didn't even know about. We don't have Ethernet in our home like that, so we're not gonna need that, but really neat kind of feature if you do have cabling behind your TV to a multimedia entertainment system. So what's left in here? We've got the instructions. Okay, a little Fire TV Cube product specifications, some instructions on how to put the batteries in the Fire TV Cube remote. And last but not least, we've got the remote and 2 Amazon Echo batteries. Okay, so if you were thinking about getting a streaming device like Roku or one of the Fire TV sticks, why would you get this Amazon Echo Fire Cube over a streaming stick? And the main reason is that you have a built-in Amazon Echo with this. So if you want to have Amazon Echo control of your TV, this is a great way to be able to control your TV, your on-off, your volume settings, and everything else with just this cube. So it actually controls internal TV settings because of this IR blaster, which many of the other streaming sticks are not able to do. They're only able to control things within the service that are using. So this is essentially a universal voice remote control as well as a streaming stick combined and Amazon Alexa. So if you've got a sound system already connected to your TV, you could feasibly use this to stream music on that sound system as well as be able to control what videos you want on your TV, which is your voice. So that's the major advantage of this Amazon Echo Fire TV Cube. So thank you for being here today. We've got the links below to this. Visit us at onehoursmarthome.com and subscribe to our channel and like us.